Hello friend, once again welcome you. In this new video we discuss about how to find a particular integral by using short methods d, that is d by dx of e raised to ax. Then we have a into e raised to ax, d2 d square e raised to ax, that is second derivative, derivative of e raised to ax equal to derivative of a into e raised to ax equal to a into derivative of e raised to ax equal to a into e raised to ax equal to a square e raised to ax. Similarly, d cube e raised to ax equal to a cube into e raised to ax. If we continue this, we have d raised to n e raised to ax equal to a raised to n e raised to ax. Instead of this, if we consider this f of d e raised to ax, then what is f of d? F of d is d raised to n plus p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus pn operating on e raised to ax. But when we operate this, we get here a raised to n plus p1 a raised to n minus 1 plus pn into a raised to ax. So f of d e raised to ax equal to f of a into a raised to ax, polynomial in a. Then you can see that let us operate here 1 upon f of d on both sides. So 1 divided by f of d into f of d into e raised to ax equal to 1 upon f of d into f of a into e raised to ax. This 1 upon f of d and f of d are inverse operators, so they cancel each other and we get e raised to ax equal to f of a is a constant term, f of a into 1 upon f of d e raised to ax. Now take this term to left side, hence the right side 1 upon f of d e raised to ax equal to 1 upon f of a into e raised to ax. And therefore whenever the right hand side is a function, exponential function e raised to ax, then particular integral equal to 1 upon f of a into e raised to ax. Now when f of a equal to 0, then 1 upon f of d e raised to ax equal to x into 1 upon f dash of d into e raised to ax. Whenever f dash of f of a equal to 0, then again multiply by x into 1 upon f double dash of d into e raised to ax. Okay, so likewise we can find the particular integral. Let us see the example. Suppose the differential equation is d2y by dx square plus 6 into dy by dx plus 9y equal to 5 into e raised to 3x. Now to find the solution of this, the auxiliary equation is what is auxiliary equation? M square plus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. So this is nothing but m plus 3 whole square equal to 0, and therefore we have m equal to minus 3 2 times. Hence roots are repeated, therefore the complementary function will be the complementary function Then roots are repeated, therefore c1 plus c2 into x into e raised to minus 3x. Now particular integral equal to 1 divided by, we write in terms of d auxiliary equation. The equation for particular integral operator will be 1 divided by d square plus 6d e raised to 3x. 5 is a constant, therefore we write this as 1 divided by d square plus 6d plus 9 e raised to 3x. Now remember the formula, 1 upon f of d e raised to ax equal to 1 upon f of a. That means we have to put d equal to a. Here what is a? A is a 3. Hence we have to put here 3, d equal to 3, so that it will be 1 upon 3 square plus 6 into 3 plus 9 into e raised to 3x. Okay, so this is equal to 5 into 1 divided by 9. 9 plus 18 plus 9 into e raised to 3x equal to 5 into e raised to 3x divided by 18 plus 18, 36. This is particular integral, and hence complete solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function e raised to minus 3x c1 plus c2x plus 5 into e raised to 3x divided by 36. This is the solution of these differential equations. Procedure is a very simple. First find the complementary function and then find the particular integral. To find the particular integral, replace d by a. Then we will get a particular integral. So let us see one more example for this method. Suppose differential equation is d2y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to e raised to 3x. Then first find auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? m square minus 3m plus 2y equal to 0. m minus 2 into m minus 1 equal to 0. m equal to 1 comma 2. These are the roots. Hence complementary function equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. Now particular integral equal to 1 upon, write in terms of d, d square minus 3d plus 2 e raised to 3x. Here once again a is equal to 3. So let us put d equal to 3. 1 divided by 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 2 e raised to 3x equal to 1 divided by 9 minus 9 plus 2 e raised to 3x equal to 1 divided by 2 e raised to 3x. Hence solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x plus 1 divided by 2 e raised to 3x. This is the solution of this differential equations. So friend, This is about the particular integral short method of finding the particular integral when the function x is of the type e raised to ax. Thank you for watching the video.